Hey guys, so this is the original cover, and I found a parts. I had a parts Sanyo, and luckily these panels are universal. These covers fit a lot of different Sanyo Beta. This one, I believe, came off of a, I think it was a 4500? No. Yeah, it came out of a, I think it came off of a 4500, which is the same, same machine, only it's a two-head. So this one came off of a donor machine. I don't know if it was a 4500, it might have been a 4690 maybe, but the covers will actually fit other models, and I found this wood grain and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna use the wood grain. I want the wood grain on there because I think it looks awesome. I think it looks much better than this, because this is all stained, and this machine definitely came from a smoker's house. So what I'm gonna do is swap them out, and let me know if you guys like the wood grain, because I really like the wood grain. So I'm going to put this on my 6800 here, and they'll put it on and I'll show you real quick. Hey guys, okay, I think I'm going to leave the wood grain on here because look, it looks so awesome. So this is going to be more appealing to a buyer. I think a buyer is going to like this wood grain. I know I said that I was going to keep this thing, but I'm thinking I might sell it. I don't know yet. You know, I'm a little bit strapped for cash right now. So I may sell it. I may let it go. But it looks pretty freaking sweet. And all in her glory. See you guys later. Bye-bye.